It's now September, which for me is the start of fall, so I'm very excited to redecorate my bedroom because I always love a physical refresh, and what better excuse to redecorate than a new season? This year, I decided that I wanted to decorate completely fresh without any influence of the decorations that I already had up. So I started by taking everything off of the furniture and also wiping it down. Everything except for the things that had to stay on there, like my lamp and the mirror and all that stuff. This way, I had a nice clean canvas to decorate.
No end in sight.
I also wanted to wash all of my sheets and pillowcases and pretty much everything that I possibly could, just so that everything was nice and clean for the new season. To me, fall is almost like another opportunity for spring cleaning, except fall cleaning. I also wanted to take down the pink curtains that I had, just to give this room a different feel. And honestly, you guys, changing up your curtains makes such a big difference. So if you want to change up the vibe of your room really easily, I would definitely recommend just switching out your curtains or your rug. This is what my room looked like. After all of this, I had to put a bunch of stuff in the laundry, and then I had all the decorations out on the floor, both old and new. Let's just have a little moment of appreciation for this gnome. It's one of the only new things that I bought this year, and it is just so cute. They just make them for every season now. It's from Homegoods, by the way, if you guys are interested.
A new day is on the rise. The promises we make seem to be improvised. What can you do when you're head over heels in love? No need to fight, but it's keeping her up all through the night. No end in sight.
So I actually have this gorgeous set of all of the Harry Potter books. I just think that the covers are so beautiful, but I struggled so much picking a spot for them. I ended up deciding to not put them on my desk just because I do not like my workspace to be super cluttered. I like it to be very minimal, so I went ahead and put it on the couch. I also didn't really like it by my nightstand because it just kind of wasn't fitting the vibe. It's definitely a different color scheme than everything else, so I thought the couch would be a nice place for it.
There was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the
So this couch is really old and it has lots of stains on it, so I always cover it with a blanket. I unfortunately don't have a couch cover, but I think I might order one on Etsy later. But I just had to wait a while for this to dry, and I didn't want to wait to decorate just because I wanted to see what everything would look like, so I ended up having to take everything off and then putting it back on. But I don't mind it. A cozy room is not complete without some pretty fairy lights, so I have quite a few of these and I was just popping them up in all the different spots and just kind of fiddling around with them until they looked the way I like. I also have this Polaroid display. I love Polaroids, and I thought I'd spice it up by adding a few fake leaves.
reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time.
My sheets were all done in the wash, so I just made my bed. I'm actually on the lookout for some minimal autumnal sheets Kind of like these have little pineapples on them, but imagine that with little leaves or pumpkins. That would be so cute. Also, it'd be really, really nice if I could find like some nice, inexpensive throw pillows or throw blankets that are a little bit more autumnal.
Of the other, beyond gravel, beyond a bigger scale.
It's now time for the finishing touches and turning on all of the fairy lights just to make this room look so, so cozy.
I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tip.
I just got this candle at Homegoods. It's huge and it smells so good. So excited to burn it all season long. I'm not gonna lie, this whole process took all day between doing the laundry and cleaning, so I had some dinner. This French onion soup from Trader Joe's was delicious, and now it's time for the reveal.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you.
Alright, well that's the end of today's video. I hope that it got you in the fall mood. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite thing to decorate is. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos. Bye!
Shining from within, I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a